Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to your Shopify store. So first of all you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. Then after heading over to your Shopify dashboard you have to tap onto apps, and from there you can see this site called Shopify App Store. On the search bar you have to search affiliate marketing. As you can see, I searched affiliate and here we go. There are a bunch of affiliate links. Just choose the one you would like to continue with. For example, I will go with this affiliate marketing. Then you have to tap on add app. So after clicking onto add app you have to go to this site, or it will just redirect you to this site automatically. Okay, now you have to enter your shop location, like shop link. So after entering your shop link you have to tap onto authenticate. So after tapping onto authenticate, go back to your Shopify dashboard, and from there you have to tap onto settings, this option. So after clicking onto settings you will be redirected to this site. You have to tap onto apps and sales channels. Scroll down and search for the apps and sales channels and tap onto the affiliate link you would like to add. For example, I like to use this one, Go Pro Affiliate Marketing. So I have this one to my shop. So if you want to add any other new affiliate link, or want to remove your old affiliate link, then you just simply can tap onto that link, and from there you just simply can deactivate that. So this is how you can add affiliate links to your Shopify store. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.